What is that?
A silly run.
A silly run? Come back closer. What is Deuce doing?
He's smelling the grass.
I wonder why a dog smells the grass.
Because
What?
he says,
Like that?
no.
Why do you think a dog does that?
Because he has 4 feet.
Because he has 4 feet.
Yeah.
Do you have 4 feet?
No, I have 2 feet.
Oh. I thought you had 4 like a puppy. No?
No. He's pretending to be detaining. 4 feet.
Oh, your hands were just pretending to be feet? Are you a puppy? Deuce is going to go get you.
I scared him along.
You scared him along? Do you think he's afraid of you?
Yep.
I don't think you're very scary for him.
Help, Mama!
I think you're afraid of him.
Yeah. Can I see myself now? Can I see